Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy's linspace function. In this video, we'll explore how to create evenly spaced sequences with specific counts using np.linspace. This is an essential tool for numerical computing, data analysis, and scientific applications. np.linspace is a NumPy function that creates an array of evenly spaced values between a start and stop point. The key feature that sets it apart is that you specify exactly how many elements you want in the result. NumPy automatically calculates the spacing between values to ensure they're distributed evenly across the range. The basic syntax of linspace has three main components. You write np.linspace, followed by three arguments in parentheses: start, stop, and num. The start parameter is your beginning value, stop is your ending value, and num specifies how many values you want to generate. The default value for num is 50 if you don't specify it. Let's break down the three key parameters. The start parameter defines the starting value of your sequence. The stop parameter defines the ending value. And the num parameter tells NumPy exactly how many values to generate between start and stop, including both endpoints. Understanding these three parameters is crucial for using linspace effectively. Here's a practical example. We import numpy as np, then create an array using np.linspace with 0 as the start, 10 as the stop, and 5 as the number of elements. When we print this array, we get 0, 2.5, 5, 7.5, and 10. Notice how NumPy automatically calculated the spacing of 2.5 between consecutive values to fit exactly 5 numbers from 0 to 10. Linspace has an additional parameter called endpoint that controls whether the stop value is included in your result. By default, endpoint is set to true, which means the stop value is included in the output array. If you set endpoint to false, the stop value will be excluded, and NumPy will adjust the spacing accordingly. Let's compare the two behaviors. On the left, np.linspace 0, 10, 5 with the default endpoint equals true gives us 0, 2.5, 5, 7.5, and 10. The stop value of 10 is included. On the right, when we add endpoint equals false, we get 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Notice that 10 is excluded, and the spacing changed to 2 instead of 2.5. Linspace is incredibly useful in many scenarios. For plotting functions, you can create smooth curves by generating evenly spaced x values. For sampling data, it helps you collect a precise number of samples across a range. In simulations, you can create parameter grids for systematic testing. And for interpolation, it generates intermediate values between known data points. These applications make linspace an indispensable tool in scientific computing and data analysis.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.